What's going on, guys? It's Jonathan from Passion Kilt. Wait, no, that's Jonathan. I'm Sergei. So you guys remember that video I made with a bunch of plexiglass and motor about SVs and wheelies? Well, Jonathan's got some stuff to show you.
So today we are going to be finally diving into the aftermath and carnage of doing wheelies on an SV650. So in today's video, and a recent video I made actually, I showed you guys how to clean your drain holes on your SV650 engine, and I also told you guys in that same video, I'm going to be showing you guys the carnage and aftermath of what goes on in your engine after it explodes from doing wheelies on it. So right here we have a cart with the only survivors from this engine, which is basically just the cylinder heads and the camshafts. Those are the only parts that actually didn't have any noticeable damage. But everything else from the bottom end and below is all damaged. So we got both engine cases here, pistons, crankshaft with rods, and the jug. So we're gonna start off with the lightest form of damage, which is the pistons themselves. As you can see right here, they got a minor nick right here, and this is just like the most minor damage on the bottom end. Now, if you look, you'll see right here in the jugs, you got a nice crack right here, and then this jug right here is all chewed up. The crankshaft below is all eaten up right here, and the piston, or the connecting rods, have some minor nicks right there as well. And in the case, you have a bunch of case damage that completely just ops out all of this stuff right here. So, Sergei, give us a better explanation of why all of this happened.
So, I'm sure if you're interested, you can find the Wheelies angle video where I spent a bunch of time bitching and moaning about plexiglass and coolant all over my shop. I wanted to mention a couple of things that I found interesting on this particular thing. So the rods don't actually have any vertical place, so this motor was fine. It wasn't rod knock until the bearing died, by the looks of it, and it twisted and got jammed up. So it wasn't the rods that graduated from flight school. It was actually the bearing seized, I guess. Often, if the rods do decide to seize up, you'll have a nice hole through the side, and that, if you're going fast enough, that can actually spray oil all over the place, and that can actually just cause you to crash. So not only did you just blow up your bike, but you also just blew up yourself too.
Yep.
So, something to worry about.
Something to worry about. But yeah, guys, this was just a quick overview of the carnage and aftermath that happens on your SV650. Like I said, guys, don't do wheelies on your SV650. If you guys haven't already, check out Sergei's channel, Mad8V Cycles. He has a better explanation of why you shouldn't be doing it, and he actually shows in detail with like basically the oil pump and why it's not sucking up when you do it. Just go over to his channel and check it all out. It's all over. It's Mad8V, right?
Mad8V Cycles on YouTube.
That right there. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, smash the subscribe button to stay tuned for future SV content. And until the next one, guys.
See yas.